Hi, this is Paranthama Reddy working as a delivery manager at Target Integration. Today I am going to brief you about business partner master data. This is the business partner module. So inside that we can take the business partner master data screen. This is the find mode. As soon as we open, based on the find mode, if you put store, then you can see all your business partners, including your customers, vendors, leads, everything. If you want to look at a specific thing, then you need to choose whether it is, if it is a customer, then system will try to fetch only customer related master data, and vendor related master data when we are choosing vendor and find. And if anything leads are there, then if you want to choose only leads, you need to choose leads and see there's only one lead. Fine. Back to when I put Control A or add mode, and user can first he need to choose whether it's a customer or vendor or lead. So let me go back to the screen. So this is my vendor. Vendor code has to be keyed in after selecting the vendor. Vendor name we need to key in. Foreign name, if anything is there, user can key in accordingly. Group, which vendor group it is pertaining to, that group has to be taken here. Based on this group, generally accounting related accounts payable thing you should need to select. Generally, finance department will involve in these areas and they'll select the proper accounts payable account. If you are trying to assign some other vendor group here, then automatically we need to change the respective creditor account here. If it is down payable clearing account, if anything is there, that has to be tagged here. Keep all the open advanced documents inside this account. Next is see whether vendor is British GBP or whatever. So currency, if you see, this is the currency. And federal tax ID, if anything is there, that user can key in the tax ID here. The right side, if you see, this is the account balance of the customer, vendor. Generally, what system do here is inside our trial balance sheet in the ledgers, it will convert into local currency and it will post the values. And goods receipt PO values, how much values it is open documents are there, that will show here. Once we close that, nothing will be populated here. And purchase orders, if there is any open purchase orders, that will be displayed from here. Apart from that, user can check. These are all the standard analysis, sales and purchase analysis provided by SAP. And this is pertaining to GRPO related items. One can look at from here. Next, let me go to again here. There are different tabs to capture all the details like general, contact person, address, payment terms, payment run, accounting, properties, remarks, attachments, and eDocs. In the general tab, generally vendor related information, whatever is there. Even if you choose the customer here, that customer related information here. What is his address, mobile number, fax, email, website, shopping, shipping type, blah blah blah. And right side, this is the contact person, ID number if anything is there, tax ID, buyer, territory, everything. Each master data, whatever we are viewing now, it's all based on the localizations. This is the UK localizations which we are viewing now. If user is working on different localizations, your user screen will change slightly based on that localization. Tax related things it will populate. contact persons, n number of contact persons I can add it here. And while we are creating any marketing documents for this respective business partner, there we can choose the which contact person you need to choose, you can choose over there. If it is only one contact person, it will fetch only one contact person. Otherwise, through drop down, you can choose the respective contact person. All contact person related in that company, whatever his ID, his mobile number, email, his addresses, number of telephones. So everything will be keyed in here. Block marketing document. These are all the other parameters which user can choose. In the general, again, here we have active, inactive, and advanced mode is there. I mean, if somebody wants to inactivate, you can inactive. Once you do the inactive, system will not show this business partner anywhere. And sometimes we can inactive for certain period also. For that's why this option is there. So if I put inactive this date to this date, automatically system will maintain inactive or during those times. Remaining times it will be available inside the system. Contact persons we already cleared. Addresses. There is bill to and ship to addresses of the vendor. So bill to address is this, ship to address is this. I mean, user can add even more number of bill to ship to addresses. The same vendor is having, shipping locations to different areas. Then we need to deliver the goods to say different locations. In such case, user will add the different shipping locations here. Payment terms, generally it is like once we raise the invoice, after 30 days is the due date to release the payment, or 45 days, that can be tagged from here. Is cash basic or 1 month or 45 days. Even if you want to define a new payment terms, you can create and tag accordingly here. Price list, discount percentage, credit limit. If you want to give up to which level you can give the credit to this respective vendor, that can be maintained here. Commitment limit, effective document groups, effective, and then this is the business partner bank account details we will maintain here. Whenever we are trying to run payment runs automatically, system will identify which bank it is. Based on that, it will create is a payment or check. And payment run, this is our house bank. We'll tag from where we are going to do it. And payment methods, if you see, there are different payment methods. This is bank transfer we maintain for bank transfer, that is tagged here. And one more thing is like check, I think. This is for outgoing payment, outgoing bank transfer HSBC. This is for checks. These outgoing checks. So we tagged 3 different payment methods to the respective vendor, but first one we choose it as a default item. Always system will try to run the payments from here. Accounting, as we already discussed, it's based on the vendor group. They'll choose the respective trade creditor account. Whenever we are transacting, automatically whatever the balance pertaining to this business partner master data will be reflected on the control account of accounts payable. So down payment, it's pertaining to advances. Properties, if there are any properties pertaining to this partner, that can be chosen from here. Remarks can be maintained from here. If there is any photo kind of thing, one can upload it from here, or template can be imported. Attachments, if there is any stuff related to business partner, the documentations and all, we can import here, and directly user can open it from here and see. That's it. This eDocs is a So if it is a special requirement, then one can go with eDocs. That's all about business partner master data. Here I have a business partner reports. Aging. Generally, customer vendor or liability aging can be processed from here. If you see, automatically based on the due date, system will pick all the liabilities, and we have different buckets as well. It will try to put accordingly. I can put expand or collapse if I say collapse. So these are all the vendors I have. Balances has to be released. Payments has to be released. Vice versa for customer aging as well. Here, this is customer receivable aging. This is what is all about business partner master data. Thank you.